Hi there, I'm Candace Papato and I am a realtor with Mancuso Homes. I specialize in listing homes, in helping buyers find homes, and in helping our buyers who are looking for a home that needs renovation or land to build a home. I was born and raised in Cleveland, Ohio, and I love the Cleveland area. If I were traveling, Italy would be my top choice. Let's talk about why you should list your home with Mancuso Homes. There's a lot of realtors out there, I'm sure you've seen, but you won't find one that's more responsive, communicative, organized, and has more resources. We have everything under one roof because we are a real estate company and a renovation company. First, by far, we have the largest social media presence. We have over 37,000 followers. A lot of those are local. We also appeal to relocation clients. So we have followers in Chicago, LA, New York. People who are moving to Cleveland are seeing your home. Next, we use nothing but the best photography and marketing tools. Whatever it takes, we will dedicate it to your home. We have interior designers on our team, so we can help with absolutely any questions you have to show your home in its best light. Finally, we really care. You get an individualized plan and you truly feel like you are our only client.